How to publish an article with Medium. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be talking about Medium and why you should use it and how to actually use it to publish your very own unique article or whatever that you actually want to write. Now, basically, Medium is a platform. It's an amazing platform where you can actually go ahead and write and read many different things. It could be stories, it could be articles, it could be whatever that you actually want to read or write. And the thing is, you can actually get started for free and work your way with writing it right away. Now, you can also get a membership and you'll have some sort of benefits, which we will talk about in a little bit. But we can actually just get started by going to medium.com, as you can see from the top, and we can see this platform right here. So we can just go ahead and go to the membership section here to show you exactly why would you may or may not want to for the memberships. So here we can actually go ahead and see why membership reward writers, because when you actually subscribe for a membership, you will support the writers and editors, as you can see here, and all the teams that are involved. So if you want to do that, you can go for memberships if you truly, love the Medium platform. You can also unlock every story because some stories are locked behind the membership. So you can't really read all the stories that are available in Medium unless you actually have a membership. But with that being said, I need to also note that without memberships, you can still read so many different stories. Also, you can go ahead and actually read offline if you want to. So you can see here, immerse yourself in audio stories, read offline wherever you go, and connect with the Medium community. And also, you won't have ads if you go for the membership. And you have more stuff here like elevating your writing. I believe I believe you can just go ahead and connect with people. This way, you can get more experience in publishing your actual story or article, whatever it may be. So this is why you would want to go for memberships if you want to. And you can see that the Medium member is going to be $5 per month or $60 a year. Or you can go for a friend of Medium and you can just feel free to compare both if you want to. But with all of this being said, you can actually just get started for completely for free. And I'll show you exactly how to do this and how to write your own article. So let's just get started. So just go to medium.com and click on get started on the top right. And then you'll need to just go ahead and join Medium. So just feel free to sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go with the Google setup, and I'm just going to finish up my signing up process because it's very simple and straightforward, and I will get back to you once I'm done. Now, once you actually set up your account, it's going to ask you some things like, what are you interested in? This is just going to allow them to know exactly what they should recommend you when it comes to reading. So just feel free to go ahead and add whatever you think is uh, something that you actually want to read about. So I'm just going to again finish this and get back to you. So after you finish up your signing up process, you should find yourself within this page. So here you can see some of the stories that you can actually read. You can see for you, following, design, technology, data science. Those are going to be the topics that I have just chosen earlier, but you can actually see different ones depending on the thing that you have chosen. So here you can actually go ahead, browse through them, see which one you actually want to read about, and you can just click on one and get started with reading. But this is not really the topic about what we want today. Today is going to be about how to actually write your own. And it's very simple. You can just go to the top right of the screen and you can see the write button here. Here you can obviously have your account and notifications, but we want to focus on this. Click on write. And this is going to open up your draft for your first article. Now, you can always just add more if you want and all of those things. But here we have the title and here we have the actual text body. And we can actually go ahead and scroll through the hints if you want to, but I'm not really going to go through this. I'm just going to exit out of here. So here we have the title. For the title, you would want to set up something that is professional, straight to the point, and at the same time engaging for the readers. So you would want to try to captivate people to read your story or article from the actual title. So make sure you know exactly what to write when it comes to title. So just go ahead, add your title. I'm just going to go for example article, and this is going to be the title for my example article. And here we can just go ahead and get started with our article. You can just go ahead and add whatever you want here from the plus icon. You can add an image. You can add, I believe, an image from Unsplash right away, so you can actually use them for free. Video from YouTube, I believe it's a link. You can add a code or an embed, and you can also add a new code block, and then we can also add a new part. So if you want to section your text. So things in Medium are very simple. You can just go ahead and get started with writing. And we have a little bit more, like we have some tools that we can actually use when we are writing. For example, we can just go ahead and highlight a specific word, and we will have these tools that we can see. From the left, we can make it bold, we can make it italic, and we can also set a link for that specific word, which will make it actually clickable, and then it's going to take people to the link that you have added to that. Here you can set up the formatting, whether it's going to be a header, or a actual subtext. Let me just highlight this again. So this is a little bit different from this one. So it's going to be subtitle. Okay, there you go. And then we can also have a quote. So you can just actually do this, and it's going to be a quote. Here you can actually go ahead and write notes for specifics. So this is going to be a private note that you can only see. Now this could be a reminder of what you want to actually write. So feel free to add whatever notes that you want to add. So it's completely up to you. If we just set this up, you can actually see the note again if you want to. Now, if I just go for writing here, and let's say I actually want to link this, I'm just going to link it to google.com for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight this, go to link, and just add to the actual link. So google.com. And now when somebody actually clicks on this, it's going to take them to google.com. Once you are happy with your article, and by the way, like I said, we can actually just feel free to add more stuff. If you go to the next line, we can just add an image, we can add an image from Unsplash, and so on. We can add a new part, which is going to be like this, and you can just start a fresh new page, for example. So once you're happy with this entire thing, let me just add an image just to go ahead and showcase. Let me just go ahead and find something to add here. There we go. The image of color red, why not? So you can add an image here, you can add whatever you want, and feel free to keep writing. Once you're happy, you can just feel free to publish and click on publish. Now, if you want to add more topics, you can feel free to do so. If you want to schedule the actual publication date, you can also do so in here, but I'm just going to publish it right away. And we should be good to go. This should be actually published, and people can actually go ahead and see it. Now you can obviously go ahead and feel free to share it, so people can actually find it and be more visible and all of that stuff. But this is exactly how to go ahead and publish your article using Medium. I hope that you have found this video to be helpful, and this is all I have for you today. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.